Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Travoride in Warframe. Travoride is a mining resource found on Venus in the Orb Vallis. You can mainly obtain it by mining the mineral vein using a mining tool like the NUSAM cutter. To find Travoride, equip your mining tool and explore the Orb Valley. And first, make sure you have unlocked the Venus and you have unlocked the Orb Vallis. Just go to Orb Vallis and explore the Orb Valley while listening for the mining beep. The faster the beep, the closer you are to a red vein. These veins are commonly found near rocky cliff caves and mountainous areas. A few good hotspots for Travoride are Deck 12, a cave on far east side of the map known for many mining notes, and a cave near the Corpus Transit Depot which has plenty of note and fewer enemies. Since Travoride is a common ore, you can speed up farming by intentionally failing the mining minigame. Simply tap on the red note with the marker on your mining laser instead of perfectly lining them in the sweet spot. This lowers your chance of getting rarer gems and help you farm more Travoride quickly. And that's how you get Travoride in Warframe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.